name is Reagan Wilbanks. This is Reagan Wilbanks Creations. This is my channel where I post all the videos of the stuff I make. Previously I've been working on research into algae biofuel, but I had to take a little bit of time off of that because, well, it got pretty expensive. I did build the bioreactor and I'm working on finishing up the video, so that should be coming out soon. But now I'm working on a different project that I've really been wanting to make for a while now, like almost 4 years. And it's getting pretty close to completion. I can't wait to post that video later on. It's going to be pretty big. But because I've been doing a lot of videoing for that upcoming project, I wanted to figure out a way to incorporate some point of view shots from the tool I'm using, so that it just has a little bit more, like, I wanted something different, something look a little neat. So I took two of my favorite things. This is my GoPro Dremel mount. I'm using a GoPro Hero Sessions. You could really use any action camera or GoPro. I'm using a Dremel 4000. You could really use any rotary tool that has the threaded top right here. And then this little piece I 3D printed. It's pretty simple. It screws right in. I made some attachment arms for it so that you can get different viewing angles. But yeah, so it works pretty fine. I'll put some test footage in a moment. I designed it in Fusion 360. I 3D printed it. It took about 20 minutes to print. It's pretty quick. Not the settings, the infill's not very thick though. But it's worked out pretty fine so far. I've used it quite a bit. I've cut a lot of stuff with it. I've drilled a lot of stuff. Sanded a lot. Sanded a lot of 3D prints. So right now I'm going to show you a little bit how I built it. And then maybe you can get an idea and you can make your own someday. Alright, so now that you know a little bit how I was able to design it and print it, if you want to print your own, the files are on my thingiverse page. I'll put the link in the description. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more up-to-date photos and kind of know what I'm doing, follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of pictures on there, like something every week at least. It's a little bit easier to post pictures, you know. But, well, thank you for watching, and I guess I'll see you next time.